If you're a beginner and want to build an app without writing complex code, this Replit 2026 tutorial is for you. First, go to replit.com and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create App. Now, Replit will ask what you want to build. You can choose between a web app, mobile app, data app, 3D game, or automation. For this example, let's select Web App. Next, you'll see a prompt box. This is where Replit's AI builds your app for you. Let's type, "Build a simple note-taking app with the ability to add and delete notes." Then click Generate. Replit will automatically start building your app. In just a few moments, you'll see the code being created and a live preview of your app on the screen. You can test it immediately in the preview panel. Try adding notes and deleting them to see how it works. If you want better results, use the Plan feature before generating. Planning helps structure the app properly. Also, the more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result will be. For example, you can specify design style, storage method, or extra features. And that's how beginners can build apps with Replit in 2026. No advanced coding required. Subscribe for more simple AI and tech tutorials.